come back with detail too.
Seng Trap Youth Council minta Khasi kala Pynpaw ya ke Jingsngew Bynniaw Halor ke Jingkynthoh u Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla uba prestun tensong bat ong ba Seng kamla ban pediang ya kani bah kanu ke rukam bat balai ka don ke jing bakla ha ke RTI kabala IT sya u Symbud Myntri Rangbah u presiden ke HYC usamla Roy Kupar Syndrome ula ong ba ya ke RTI la ai syaki da katenat badai pej kata ke Shillong Municipal Board bat ban ong ba ke SMB ke Jingkynthoh ke Bamdai Shisha ti kumta u officer u badai kemi unhab ban shim jingkit kli dalade Halor kani ke benta.
The statement given by the Deputy CM yesterday that he will be sending it again to the SMB and to the Urban Affairs Department to re-verify. It is a joke in one way, because how can he send our representation to the same department which has replied to our RTI? I mean, how will that change? Will they change the data now? Will they change the facts now? If they do that, then they'll be in more trouble, because how can you make a person who is not an employee of SMB after we have raised this issue, now they'll say that he is an employee of the SMB, which is not possible. But at the end of the day, the people knows we have raised this question, this issue from the beginning, and we're sticking to our demands, to our opinions.
Seng Trap Youth